Hi, welcome to Exmoor Blades.
Hi guys.
Hi everybody, how are you?
Welcome to the Exmoor Blades giveaway.
You're not giving that one away! Right, go on, get out of here! Not giving this one away. Anyway, welcome to the Exmoor Blades giveaway. Right, for a while, I wanted to do something a bit different. Hello everybody. Hi everybody, hope you're all safe and well. Hi everybody, hope you're all safe and well. That's a new t-shirt. Who'd have believed it? Exmoor Blades is a year old. So what I thought I'd do, with some help from my daughter and that, is do a little montage of things that we think maybe might be of interest to you over the last year, and just recap on where I started and where I am now. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye. Just so you know, I've always got a fire extinguisher. That colour, and I think that's going to look nice, and I'm happy with that. So next stage, here we go, and we'll just fill in the voids first, and obviously this will self-level to a certain extent anyway. We'll see how far we are out with what we've made. Troublemakers here, so I just told them to be quiet on the set. Doing well, aren't they? Look at them, look.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there we are, there they are live.
Okay.
How was that?
Looks good to me.
Like digging for gold. Now the reason obviously it's not as raindroppy as I thought it would be is probably because I squished it too much. You know, I lengthened it, but wow, I'm well chuffed with that. Anyway, next thing is, what do we do with it? What do we make? Right, there we are. Resharpened, cleaned up, polished, re-oiled, and sheath refinished and fed. So there we go, guys. Back out to the wilds again. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that little recap of the last year. It's been a quick year. I don't know where it's gone, to be honest with you. And I feel like I've come a long way, if I'm honest. So here's to the next year and a continuation of my little projects. You handle on that one. Nice little chopper I've just made to go with this one as a set. I've got new projects coming soon. Obviously I've got the Damascus buoy, which you saw a bit of forging from, I think, in a clip on there. So that's going to be finished this week, hopefully. I've got some review videos coming up of 2x72 I bought, of a sharpening system. I've got some ideas about more casting I'm going to be doing. So there's lots going to be going on. So if you've enjoyed any of this, consider subscribing. And to all my subscribers, thank you very much indeed. It's been a journey, and I'm glad you've been along with me. So I'll speak to you all again soon, guys. Bye!